Hello all, welcome to BEAR class. Today's subject is understanding disciplines and subjects. As always, the first question you can expect from this subject is describe discipline or what you understand by discipline. Let's see what discipline means. The word discipline means the practice of training people to obey rules or a code of behavior using punishment to correct disobedience. Discipline also have another meaning. Discipline is a branch of knowledge, typically one studied in higher education. The word discipline which we are referring to is in the context of academics. This should not be confused with school discipline. This is related to a field of study. There may be a social and professional activity which on account of its importance becomes an area of application for several disciplines. The important thing to realize is that the necessary condition for a growth of discipline are freedom to develop new ideas or new thinking, freedom to develop new synthesis and analysis, freedom to develop new horizons and new fields, increasing opportunities to experiment with them. What are the characteristics of a discipline? On content. Every discipline has its own specific content or subject matter or course of study at a different level of teaching. Discipline is related to some professional and social activity. For example, agriculture is related to farming, psychology deals with the behavior, chemistry is related to matter. Every discipline has its own method of study. For example, biology is the field of plants and animals. Physics and chemistry is the field of matter studied through laboratory or experiment method. History is studied through library method. Discipline has its own method of investigation and its own field of investigation. Scholars of every discipline have unique ideas and horizons of thinking and have impact on discipline on their lifestyle. Every discipline has its own conduct, ethics, rules and regulations. So we have learnt the 7 characteristics of discipline. Let's see education as a discipline. We have 2 criteria to examine education is the full-fledged discipline. General criteria, specific criteria. Let's move to general criteria. These criteria are of 3 types: preservation, transmission, advancement of content. The preservation of the content of each discipline is being done in the social and institutional libraries. In each type of library, we have separate section of educational books, journals, handbooks, encyclopedia, etc. The next point is transmission. The transmission of the content of each discipline is being done in the schools, colleges and universities. There are B.Ed, M.Ed, M.Phil classes for teaching educational content. The content of education is taught at 2 levels: professional at B.Ed, M.Ed levels and as academic subject at inter BA and MA levels. The last point is, in every discipline, content is not only preserved and transmitted, but also enriched or advanced through research work. The research work are being done in education at individual level for PhD. The NCERT is an organization at national level to conduct research work and provide financial help to research projects. Let's see what is specific criteria of education as a discipline. Education has its own independent content like other disciplines. It includes aims of education, theory of education, curriculum, teaching method, co-curricular activities, teacher and student, textbook examination, teaching theory. The whole content of education is directly or indirectly related to teaching activities. Teaching is both social as well as professional activity. Therefore, education has its own faculty at university level. Education content is both theoretical and practical. Therefore, its methods are scientific as well as descriptive. A student of education has to prepare theory and he has to practice in the classroom teaching situation. Education has its own field of investigation. Education has its own method of research. And education has a unique impact on student and research workers. Please check the description box for the notes. I have given a link over there. It is free printable format. Please subscribe, like and comment for more videos on education and technology. Thank you.